Coolizi Cooling Ace Review, does it work or a scam? In this video, I am going to teach you the full truth about the Coolizi Cooling Ace before you spend your hard-earned money on it. If you have been scrolling through Facebook or TikTok and seen those viral ads showing this little device blasting ice-cold air and promising to replace your air conditioner for a fraction of the cost, stay with me because I did a deep dive into the claims, the company, the reviews, and the science behind this product so you do not have to learn the hard way. So what exactly is the Coolizi Cooling Ace? The Coolizi Cooling Ace is a personal evaporative cooler that is compact, USB rechargeable, designed for desk, nightstand, or wall placement. With 3 speed settings and a water cartridge cooling mechanism. The brand states the unit may drop air temperature by up to 20 degrees Fahrenheit in 30 seconds under optimal dry climate conditions. It is marketed heavily through social media ads as the ultimate affordable alternative to traditional air conditioning. But here is what you really need to understand before pulling out your credit card. Step 1, let us talk about the technology. The Coolizi Cooling Ace uses evaporative cooling, which is essentially the same concept as a swamp cooler. Devices like the Coolizi Cooling Ace generally use a water-based evaporation process combined with fan circulation. Users fill a built-in tank with water or ice, and as air passes through, it is cooled and released back into the room. This creates a localized cool zone effect. Now here is the critical part that the ads conveniently leave out. That 20-degree claim is a brand-asserted figure, and the one thing every review glosses over is it only works that well in dry climates, according to U.S. Department of Energy guidance on evaporative coolers. The optimal climate for this type of device is below 50% relative humidity. So if you live in a humid state like Florida, Texas, Georgia, or anywhere in the Southeast, this device will perform significantly worse than advertised. Step 2, let us examine the marketing claims versus reality. Even minimal research shows these claims cannot possibly be true for a $60 portable device you plug in and add water to create cool air. There is no evidence anywhere of Coolizi's supposedly patented bladeless technology or any explanations of how this tiny product could generate such powerful rapid cooling equal to large AC units. Unlike a standard AC system that can lower the temperature of an entire apartment or office, the Coolizi Cooling Ace is designed for personal close-range cooling. This distinction explains why some reviewers praise it as a practical solution, while others leave complaints suggesting it does not cool the whole room. Step 3, the rebranding pattern. This is the part that should really get your attention. The Coolizi Cooling Ace looks remarkably similar to portable coolers sold under names such as Sharam Cooling Ace, Glossardy Cooling Ace, Kinux Breeza, Libby Cooling Ace, Outfani Cooling Ace, and several others. Independent reviewers have also pointed out that these products frequently share identical designs, specifications, and marketing claims. When one brand accumulates too many negative reviews, another website launches with a different name while selling essentially the same product. The Cooling Ace, also marketed as Coolizi, Coldies, or Nestle, is widely considered a misleading product. That is a massive red flag. Step 4, the pricing and refund situation. Pricing starts at $89.98 per unit, with a brand-stated 30-day money-back guarantee. However, buyers who want to compare wattage, BTU equivalents, decibel ratings, exact battery runtime, water tank capacity, physical dimensions, weight, FCC authorization status, or UL and ETL certifications, will find that the Coolizi Cooling Ace Lander does not publish these. FCC authorization status for the Cooling Ace was not disclosed on the brand pages reviewed as of June 2026. When a company hides basic specifications that every legitimate electronics product should list, that tells you something. Step 5, the review landscape. The most consistent complaint patterns trace back to one source, which is expecting compressor AC performance from a personal evaporative cooler. On the other side, despite the claims made on the Coolizi website and in social media ads, there is no evidence backing up their assertions that this small device can cool rooms rapidly using advanced evaporative technology. The dramatic cooling effects shown in ads have not been replicated in real-world customer testing. Additionally, the Coolizi Cooling Ace is sold by a company with no history or documented origins. Step 6, who this might actually work for. To be fair, I want to give both sides. The Coolizi Cooling Ace offers genuine value for consumers who know what to expect. which is localized convenient cooling at a lower cost. It is not perfect, and it is not designed to replace traditional AC units. If you live in a dry climate like Arizona or Nevada, and you only need a small personal breeze at your desk, a basic evaporative cooler can provide some relief. But here is the thing. You can find nearly identical evaporative coolers on Amazon for $10 to $15. The technology is not new, it is not proprietary, and it is not revolutionary. You are essentially paying a massive markup for social media marketing. Now here is your pro tip. Before buying any portable cooling device you see in a social media ad, do this simple test. Search the product name followed by the word scam on Google. Then search for the exact product image using Google reverse image search. If that same device shows up under 5 or 6 different brand names with identical marketing copy, you are likely looking at a generic product being dropshipped at a significant markup. For actual personal cooling, a $20 evaporative cooler from a reputable retailer with verified purchase reviews will give you the same performance without the inflated price tag and questionable company behind it. To recap, the Coolizi Cooling Ace is a basic evaporative cooler that uses water and a fan to create a localized cool breeze. It is not an air conditioner, and it cannot cool an entire room. The 20-degree temperature drop claim only applies in very dry conditions, below 50% humidity. The same product appears under multiple brand names, which is a well-known pattern in dropshipping operations. Key specifications including battery life, water tank capacity, and safety certifications are not published on the brand website. And the pricing is significantly higher than virtually identical products available from established retailers. If this review saved you from an impulse purchase, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest product investigations. Drop a comment below and let me know if you have already bought one or if you have experience with any of these rebranded portable coolers. I want to hear your real experience. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.